So till now we have seen how to create incidents from UiPath on ServiceNow platform. Now we will see, just assume if you are a service provider and you wanted to get all the incidents. Suppose if there is a huge organization where there will be so many incidents that will be flown onto the platform every day. So if you wanted to get all the incidents into your Excel sheet where you can have an idea of all the incidents which are uploaded on the ServiceNow platform. In this session, we are going to see how we can get all the incidents which are in new state into our local. So let's see how we can do that. So I have just created a sequence to get all incidents. So you know that we have to first establish the connection. So I have established the connection as shown in the previous video. And now I wanted to get all the incidents which are there from in the active state. So for that, I will be using the activity, which is get incident list. So this is the activity I'll be using. So I have to search for the command here to write a command. So as we are getting the data from the incident table, so I would be writing it as incident. Now the thing is, what are the fields I wanted to extract from that particular table? So I want to see description, short description. I want to see the priority and approval I don't want, and the state. Incident number, system ID is not required. Yes, I wanted to get all these fields, but the condition is I wanted to get all the fields where the state is new. So as per ServiceNow, value for the incidents which are in new state is 1. So I'm providing 1 here, and I want all the incidents. So I'm just executing the run command, which will show me the list of all the incidents which are in new state. So I have to get all them into my local. So let's save this, and we have to give the output variable, which is a data table. All instance data table. I wanted to write this into a CSV file. Just create a CSV file with new incidents list .csv. So let's run this and see the result. It it got executed within 8 seconds. Let us see the output. So I've got the file, new incidents list. Where it is clearly displaying all the incident numbers which are in new state. So this is my condition. So suppose if you wanted to get incidents whose priority is 3 or whose priority is 5, that you wanted to deal on high priority, so you can just take based on your priority. And now once after I get these incidents, I would be working on one at a time, and then I will be updating the status of this against here. So in order to update the instance in ServiceNow platform, we have seen you have to give a work note for all the incidents which I have retrieved. I will be creating an extra column of work note. I will mention your incident is picked up and is assigned to concerned team. So that we are assuring the user that issue can be resolved soon. And then I have to assign it as we have said them. So maybe if I have the random names, I can just pick and assign one to each person. Now I'm going to say assign it to myself for all the incidents. I'm going to update this. So like previous one, I have taken a ServiceNow application scope and I have created a test connection. Now I'm going to update the incidents. So I'm going to take update incident, but we should have a scope for this. But in order to update, what are the incident numbers we are going to update? So for that, I'm going to read the same CSV file which we have taken previously. So name is new incident list, and I'm going to give it into the data table, which is updated incident list, and I'm gonna run it through a for each loop, for each row loop list. I'm going to update. So for which we have to configure the parameters. So here the criteria is I have to update the incidents, each incident with the work note and the assigned item. So for that, I have to add the parameters for work note and the assigned item and for each incident. So these are the three parameters I should be concerned about. So I will be from the get example data, I would take work notes and assign to. So these are the two fields that I'm concerned as of now. Row of work notes dot toString. So I'm just saving this. I should give for each incident. So that's all. When we execute this, our incidents will get updated. Let's run this. So this got executed in 51 seconds. Just check the results on the ServiceNow page with respect to the incidents that are there. So I have assigned it to myself. So we'll just go to all the incidents which are there. I'm checking it with the assigned to, because it has to assign to me. So it got assigned. Let's see the work notes, if it got updated or not. So whatever the notes we have given, yes, exactly, it has taken the same. Your incident is picked up and is assigned to the concerned team, right? So this is how we can pick incidents. So all these are assigned just now, which are 59 incidents which we have created. So all these things, if you just observe, the execution time has taken just overall 3 minutes. So that's quite so wonderful. So I would be coming up with many more use cases apart from incident. This is just related to incidents, where we have seen getting the incidents, creating the incidents, and updating the incidents. There are many other things that we can automate with UiPath. Please do subscribe and hit the notification so that you will not miss any of the videos. Thank you so much for watching.